Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here. Today is 21st of February 2024. My name is Rakesh, and I'm a Dukascopy's trading community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy. I'm not their employee. Therefore, all the opinions or whatever ideas we are going to discuss here in this webinar, they are of my own. They don't have anything to do with the Dukascopy bank. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we will only follow the charts for our analysis. And in this program, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the precise key levels from where we can expect the price to reverse or go through. Depending upon that, we will be making our trading setups. If you are new to the technical analysis, please check the playlist section where you can find profitable candlestick patterns and also profitable chart patterns playlist. If you go through them, it will really help in understanding you what we are talking about in this program. So to start with, I will be taking you through the risk disclaimer. There is a certain risk associated with the trading the foreign exchange market. Now, before I start the session, I must tell you that this is only for information and knowledge. It is not to be seen as a trading advice. So please do your research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. So let me take you through the risk disclaimer. This is the standard practice. I must show you this risk disclaimer. Although if you can manage the risk, then there is nothing like it. Please understand this risk that is involved. You have to know it before you go in the world of this forex market. Like always, first things first. May I get a small introduction from who are here already, so that we can come to know from where you are, how fast or slow I should speak. Are you able to hear me? Whatever, if you can. Please give me a small feedback about the audio and video, please. Okay, so no video. Okay, I am taking my own feedback then. So this is the video feedback and this is the audio feedback. All right. So I can hear myself. Thank you for not giving me the feedback. So this is the US dollar index. So like you operate, like I operate. So here you can see that the price has broken through this previous low. That means we are cautious now in this one. The bias is bearish. That's why we have written bias is bearish here. It will turn bullish only if the price goes above 104.89. On the downside, we have now open targets around 102.75. So if the price closes below 103.78, then expect the price of 103.78 to start acting as a fresh resistance. Talking about the euro, in the similar condition, now in euro the bias has turned bullish because of this up move from 1.0805, and today the price went lower and found support, and now it is again going higher. So even from this price action, now you can see that the price has broken higher than this previous resistance. That means the sellers are again overpowered and the buyers are in control of the market. So expect the higher prices, that is around 1.0897 is now open in this particular market, that is euro dollar. So in euro USD, if you see higher prices going towards 1.0897, then you should not be surprised, because that is the next stop. GBP USD, this is a consolidation. The price has not moved higher than this or lower than this, and not even higher than this and lower than this. So the price is moving between two crucial levels of 1.2775, which is here on 24th of January, and this low on 5th of February. So the price is moving between these two levels, and till the time none of these is broken, we cannot be sure which direction the market is going to go. But we have a bearish bias based on these previous lower lows and lower highs. Australian dollar, we are expecting to go higher. It went higher yesterday, closed the day higher. Now it is trying to take support here. In fact, the price can actually go down up to 0.6470 area before it goes higher. But anything can happen anyways. The targets on the upside 0.6625 is open in this market. No, before that, I think, no. Yes, 0.6625 is the resistance and the support is very far, which is now around 0.6443 in this market, guys. The resistance is 0.6625, which is also the next target. In case of the New Zealand dollar, we made a higher high today, but the price could not retain those levels and has started a down move. Now this down move may be to test the previous broken resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Now the price is expected to move like this and then eventually shoot from here towards 0.6278 area. New Zealand dollar, Kiwi, a bit bullish on this in the coming time. Swiss dollar, dollar Swiss is actually, although I was expecting the price to make higher highs towards 0.9113, but I think after breakout the price has not tested these levels, so there is a probability that the price will come close to 0.8551 before it shoots off higher. So yes, the channel has become like this now. The stop or the downside is 0.8551, below which I will turn bearish on this one, and the next target is 0.9113 in this one. USD CAD is, I think, doing very nice as it is going higher bit by bit and is trying to be supported by this rising channel, although the resistance of 1.3620 is still intact, but I have a little confidence that there is a probability of the price going higher from here and breaking 1.3620. If not, then at least testing this level before falling further. So 1.3620 on the upside is the target. On the downside, we have a quite good support around 1.3413, below which I will be seller in this market. USD JPY is also doing good, but although it is moving in a channel, a break higher will open the way for 151.91. On the other side, if it breaks below 148.92, then the then the next level for support will be 145.89 in this market. New Zealand CAD, very good move yesterday. Today there is a higher high, but yes, right now the price is going lower. This may be a what you can say pullback before the next leg up towards 0.8417. In this leg down, 0.8278 may be seen as not the buying opportunity but an area of support. It may be witnessed as an area of support because you see previously these levels were very good support and thereafter it started acting as a very good resistance. So next time when the price comes to this area, I'll be expecting that level to act as a very good support. Bitcoin, it's still consolidation, nothing much to talk about, although you can actually create some, I think, rectangle there. From the 1 hour point of view, it looks like that the selling is happening here. But if you look at this price action, then you can see a rectangle like this. You can buy or sell this market if the price goes higher or lower than this one, although there is a big consolidation here going on and the volumes have just increased in this time frame. All right, guys, let me go back to the daily. So the resistance in this one is now 59,235. The support is very close, 49,021. So you can take a risk of buying this market at the lower sides. Brent CMD, although we were expecting a breakdown, it has not broken down, although it opened outside and now has entered inside. Let's see how the things unfold. Right now it is trading at the resistance. Even after breaking out from this resistance, there is a probability that the price will go to 84.62, which is again a good resistance. So like I said, that this is a confluence of resistances. This area is a confluence of resistances. Yes, one is this, there is a resistance of this falling trend line. The second is this broken channels resistance line, which is now acting as a support line, which is now acting as a resistance. So there are multiple reasons for the sellers to jump in here to push the markets back towards 72.33. The gold, like I said, that I will not be buying this market here, although I will be looking for a buying opportunity close to 1931 area, where I think the buyers would be more than at this point. So for me, there is no trade in this one. I will staying away from this till the time the price is going close to 1931. If it goes towards 1940, maybe I will be looking for a buying opportunity. Bain, it has finally started moving up, but I am expecting 30.25 to act as a very good resistance again, from where the sellers can jump in and push the market down. That's all from my side, guys. These are the support and resistance levels that are of interest. If you have any particular pair that you are looking or which you are keeping on your charts, you can share with me. I would like to give you some insight on that based on my charts. Or do you have any questions whatsoever with respect to this webinar? Please ask me in the chat box. All right, guys, as I see no questions popping up, I thank you very much for your time here, and I hope that you know about the support and the resistance levels that may be of interest in the coming days and hours. Uh, but I request you not to risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions after the video is published in the comment section. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. If you want to connect with me, this is my Skype handle. You can ask me questions over here. I will be definitely answering you. You cannot call me, of course, but you can ask me questions. This is another, my Bulls and Bears is my another YouTube channel where you can subscribe me. Thank you for your time once again. Bye bye.